Cryptocurrencies are currently surging right now. Bitcoin itself has a value of almost $60,000. If you are new to the world of cryptocurrencies, just think of it as digital cash, money that exists solely online and can be used to buy goods and services. If you are interested in jumping on cryptocurrency bandwagon and you don't know where to begin, don't worry. There is a way to get started. For example, Bitcoin. There are several Bitcoin mining apps and I'm going to suggest one of them. These apps allow you to earn free Bitcoin, absolutely free, from your computer or your phone while you go about your daily routine. In this video, I will walk you through a few beginner-friendly methods, including one that can earn you over $100 per month in cryptocurrency and other rewards. Whether you're using an Android phone, an iPhone, or a computer, one of these methods is going to work for you. The first method on how you can earn crypto is through cloud mining. Cloud mining is a mechanism to mine a cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin using rented cloud computing power without installing or directly running the hardware and related software. So basically, you must have heard on the news that a lot of rich people or companies are mining Bitcoin using very powerful computers. But you as a random common person, you can't do that. But the good thing is you also have an option to mine Bitcoin. For example, an app called Stormgain. You can find Stormgain as an app on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. Stormgain is an all-in-one crypto app with a Bitcoin cloud miner. And our main focus is mining Bitcoin. So all you have to do is download the app. Then you will have to prove your identity. So you need to actually write down your actual name, your actual date of birth, then send a picture of your ID card. After you get approved, you can mine Bitcoin for free. After you mine Bitcoin, then you can simply trade it for USDT, which is basically dollars, and then transfer it into your bank. This app will not drainage your battery, or if you are using your computer, your CPU. You will not need any mining equipment, and it is fast and risk-free. They also have in-app purchases where if you want to increase your Bitcoin mining capabilities, you can pay money and earn more Bitcoin. But let's not do that and simply stick mining free Bitcoin. The second way on how you can get into this cryptocurrency bandwagon is through Telegram. You must have heard about bots on the internet. And let me tell you, people are getting free money anywhere from $100 to even thousands of dollars for simply playing games. Right now, you can simply search Hamster Combat on YouTube. This YouTube channel was made few months ago and it has almost close to 40 million subscribers. All you need to do is download Telegram, then on the search bar of your Telegram, write Hamster Combat. Very soon, on September 26th, it will give money, free money, to its users. And then the token or the cryptocurrency will be listed on major exchanges. I have already personally talked about Hamster Combat and I will leave the video on the screen. I will also recommend to watch the other multiple videos that you will see on your YouTube search bar when you search Hamster Combat. There are also similar coins on Telegram that are about to be listed and will give free money to its users. One of them is Blum and xempire. So once you understand how to use these tokens, also join Blum and xempire and thank me later. That's it for this video. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notifications bell, and goodbye.